This is Bob Pringle, reference librarian. The PubMed database from the National Library of Medicine is a very large one and is often considered the gold standard in searching for healthcare information. If your institution, university or otherwise, has subscriptions to electronic journals, it's possible for your librarians to include links to the full text of those subscriptions as part of the PubMed searching process. In addition to that, and available to anyone on the internet, the PubMed database includes links to many journal articles available free from their publishers in full text. There are many specific tools that are useful for retrieving evidence in PubMed. One of the newer ones is called Clinical Queries. This is a set of prepared searches directed by expert librarians which allow you to look for these kinds of specific information about different conditions and diseases. Among the things that the database indexes are systematic reviews, including those from the Cochrane collaboration. The abstracts from those reviews are available free to anyone, but for full text, a subscription is required. In addition to the expert searching in the clinical queries, in general searching, the PubMed database allows you to limit your results. You may search for a specific subject and then focus it in many, many ways under the heading Limits or Advanced Search. One of the biggest advantages, of course, is that it is a large database with lots of information and it's available at no charge on the internet. Disadvantages include its being too slow for clinical use in most cases, and it does not provide separate evaluation of the quality of research. The PubMed home screen is the place where you can start searching in this box. But today we're going to talk instead first about PubMed tutorials, short videos that provide lots of useful information in getting you started in the database. The two that I encourage everyone to try first are the PubMed Simple Subject Search and combining mesh terms or medical subject headings using the mesh database. These are very useful and you'll find that they get you started quickly. There are other tools that you can use, and you'll also find more resources, including two most useful data sets, the medical subject headings themselves, and a list of the journals that are indexed in PubMed and the dates that are included in that indexing. It's also a quick way to find out if an article you're interested in is likely to be indexed in the database. We're going to look, however, at the clinical queries. And you'll see that we can type our subject in here, knee osteoarthritis, and I'll search that. I'm looking for therapy for that, and I want a broad category. I find over 4,800 articles under clinical studies, over 400 systematic reviews, and some information on medical genetics. If I narrow this search, I have about 1,400 clinical studies, only 400 systematic reviews. I can also change the topic that I'm searching for here. Let's try ankle osteoarthritis. And you can see that the results, whether narrow or broad, are much smaller than in the first category. One of the nifty features of this is that when I put my mouse over the title of one particular item, I pull up more information about that particular reference. I hope that you'll be able to find material for whatever your clinical topic is. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to get in touch with us.